Hi guys, this is located in our car. We have a nice garden here. All are different kinds of bougainvillea. Yeah, all colors here. Yeah, daming color. Lahat na kulay ng bougainvillea is found here in the garden or one of the garden here in our car. Yan, dami kulay. Dapat ang kulay dito yan. Dito lahat. Lahat na kulay. Ganda-ganda. Collection ito.
Ito nani. Oh.
Ayan, ayan. Dami. Lahat na kulay. Ganda no? Lin, ganda talaga Lin. But it is kailangan malaki ang space. Oo, kasi laki ng space. Parang it is mga ilang meters, square meters ito, just about 300 siguro, or ilang something like that. Lahat lang yata, ilang bilya lang kanilang Yan lahat na color. Kahit anong color na hanapin yun, andito lahat ng color ng bougainvillea. Tingnan nyo guys, napakaganda talaga. Ayan. It is located in Karkar. Kasi we are going to Simala. Madalaan dito in the left side. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.